Hi, and welcome to Learn English with Stories. Today, we'll learn 50 common English words for food. These will help you talk about meals, order at restaurants, and more. Let's jump in.
Apple. A sweet, round fruit with a red, green, or yellow color. She eats an apple every day. Banana. A long, yellow fruit that is sweet. Monkeys love bananas. Bread. A common food made from flour and baked. I like to eat bread with butter. Butter. A yellow spread made from milk. He puts butter on his toast. Carrots. An orange vegetable that grows in the ground. Rabbits eat carrots. Cheese. A dairy food made from milk, often yellow or white. She adds cheese to her sandwich. Chicken. Meat from a chicken, usually white. We are having chicken for dinner. Coffee. A hot drink made from coffee beans. I drink coffee every morning. Corn. Yellow vegetable with small kernels. She likes corn on her salad. Egg. Food from chickens, often white or brown. I eat an egg for breakfast. Fish. Meat from an animal that lives in water. They had fish for lunch. Grape. A small, round fruit that can be green or purple. He eats grapes as a snack. Juice. A drink made from fruit. She drinks orange juice with breakfast. Lemon. A sour, yellow fruit. I put lemon in my water. Lettuce. A green leafy vegetable used in salads. She adds lettuce to her sandwich. Meat. Food from animals like beef or chicken. He doesn't eat meat. Milk. A white liquid from cows that people drink. She drinks milk every night. Noodles. Long, thin pasta often used in soups. I like noodles with vegetables. Onion, a vegetable with a strong flavor and smell. She cooks with onion and garlic. Orange. A round orange fruit that is sweet and juicy. He peels an orange after lunch. Pasta. A food made from flour, often in shapes like spaghetti. They have pasta for dinner. Peach. A soft, sweet fruit with fuzzy skin. She eats a peach as a snack. Pear. A green or yellow fruit that is soft inside. He likes pears more than apples. Pepper. A vegetable that can be green, red, or yellow. She adds pepper to the salad. Pineapple. A large, sweet fruit with rough skin. I love pineapple on pizza. Pizza. A round dish with cheese and tomato sauce. They order pizza every Friday. Potato. A brown vegetable that grows in the ground. She makes mashed potatoes for dinner. Rice. Small white or brown grains used in many dishes. He eats rice with vegetables. Salad. A mix of vegetables usually eaten cold. She makes a fresh salad for lunch. Salt. A white seasoning that makes food taste salty. He adds salt to his soup. Sandwich. 2 slices of bread with filling in the middle. I have a ham sandwich for lunch. Sausage. Meat in a tube shape, often grilled or fried. They cook sausage for breakfast. Soup. A liquid food made by boiling ingredients. She makes chicken soup when it's cold. Strawberry. A small, red, sweet fruit with tiny seeds. He loves strawberry ice cream. Sugar, a sweet white substance used in food. She puts sugar in her coffee. Tea, a hot drink made by soaking leaves in water. They drink tea in the afternoon. Tomato, a red fruit often used in salads and sauces. She slices a tomato for the sandwich. Water, a clear liquid that everyone drinks. I drink water throughout the day. Watermelon, a large green fruit with red, juicy inside. They eat watermelon on hot days. Yogurt, a creamy food made from milk, often with fruit. She eats yogurt for breakfast. Beef, meat from a cow. He likes beef steak for dinner. Biscuit, a small sweet or salty baked snack. She has a biscuit with her tea. Cake, a sweet baked dessert, often for celebrations. They share a cake for her birthday. Cucumber, a green vegetable with a mild taste, often in salads. She adds cucumber to her salad. Garlic, a small white bulb with a strong flavor, used in cooking. He puts garlic in his pasta sauce. Honey, a sweet, sticky food made by bees. She puts honey in her tea. Ice cream, a cold, sweet dessert, often creamy. They eat ice cream on hot days. Mushrooms, a small, round vegetable that grows in damp places. He likes mushrooms on his pizza. Pepper, a black or white spice that adds heat to food. She sprinkles pepper on her salad. Shrimp, a small shellfish with a sweet flavor, often pink when cooked. He eats shrimp with pasta. Spinach, a dark green leafy vegetable, often eaten cooked or raw. She makes a spinach salad. Steak, a thick piece of meat, usually grilled. He orders a steak at the restaurant. Tomato sauce, a red sauce made from tomatoes, used in pasta and pizza. She adds tomato sauce to her pasta. Great job! You've just learned 50 essential food words in English. Now, try using these words next time you're at a restaurant, cooking a meal, or even chatting with friends about your favorite foods. Practice makes perfect. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English lessons. Keep practicing, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.